Now, the last stock we're going to cover on Cathie Wood's list is a lesser known name which actually made the list of my previous AI stocks video. So be sure to check that out in the corner if you want more AI stock picks. UiPath is not a major position for ARK, but it is still a notable position as this little known company could have massive potential. UiPath is a global company that makes RPA or robotic process automation software, and this is a software technology that uses virtual robots to perform tasks that are manual, repetitive, or time-consuming. For example, think about something like data entry or a simple task like changing the file type for a massive pool of media files. UiPath is enabling organizations to outsource these mundane tasks to software, vastly improving efficiency and potentially even profitability in the process. UiPath is one of the leading RPA providers out there, and their software has the high likelihood of paying for itself with the increased efficiency and decrease in human involvement with tasks. If they become the mainstream solution, this could be a multi-bagger stock. However, you should tread with caution here as the company has struggled with financial performance over the last 12 months and has even seen their CEO step down unexpectedly.